you're just gonna take your coil, the same, you all start everything with a single coil, okay? And remember to roll 3 or 4 times away and then 3 or 4 times towards you. Once you have it compressed, you can tell it by the way it feels. You can get this smooth. This is where you might wanna use your metal rib, and you can cut this into pieces, and then you can score and slip all of the pieces in a row to make a different type of a row, okay? You just have to score and slip them all the way across the back side, like we scored this side. You just score and slip them all together, and then you can just slip the whole row on, all right? And then the other ones, the round slices, you can literally slice them just like we did those, but then you take your slices and you round them out like a little tiny circle ball, like the pieces that you rolled when you attached to your monsters. And then you have to score and slip them side by side on your pinch pot. So they take a little bit more time, but when you score and slip them together, then you can get a whole row of the round slices, okay? Now, this is just the starting point for coils. There are tons of different types of coils. You can go online and look them up. If you use other coils than what are on here that I've showed you, that you find on your own, you get more points because you actually did more work, because you went and researched something about coil pots, okay? Otherwise, you have to use your single coils. Everybody needs to start out with at least 2 rows of single coils on the bottom. That's what's gonna give you strength at the bottom. Then you can switch. You have to use at least 3 different types of coils with your single coils for your pot. And it needs to be at least 6 inches tall, which is the height of a dollar bill, okay? If you need to check your height, you can get a ruler from the tool table over there where you get your clay and check to make sure it's 6 inches tall. The other thing you have to do is change diameter 1 time, okay? So if your coil pot starts out this width diameter, it either has to go in and get smaller once, okay? Or it can start this width and then it can go wider. Is everybody with me on that? Anybody have any questions? It's got to change diameter 1 time. Use single coils and 3 other types. Those are your requirements.